Hey, welcome into this Freedom Equity Group review where I will be thoroughly showing you all you need to know about them, how they do things, and if this is what I recommend joining. Before I get into things, though, if this is your first time here, my name is Michael with Viral Home-Based Pursuits. I've been online for many years running multiple businesses, had a short stint in the insurance space, didn't really get too into it, wasn't my thing, but I've been in the finance space as a funding expert for many years now, helping people with credit, cash flow, collateral, liquidity, equity, so many other options, financial literacy, helping them get lined up with accounting services, helping them with their cash flow, EBITDA, profitability, reorganization of their business, credit repair, debt relief, and so much more. So I will give you a very good response, as in if this is the right type of business, one, in this industry, and what are the alternatives if you're trying to have things coming in more passively, more reassuring, things where you don't even have to be on the phone with somebody, meet them in person at their home, or quote unquote, the word people use, sell people. But let's get right into it. With Freedom Equity Group, they are an annuities and life insurance company, an MLM network marketing one at that. So if you've heard of MLMs, network marketing, this is where you have programs that are usually built off of monthly auto ships, where it only benefits the person at the top. It can be pricey at points. You have to meet specific requirements to meet the compensation and other details. But because it's in insurance and it's in a different space, you can see a different setup in a way, and while the whole process takes place. But I'm not big on the MLM network marketing space in general. If you haven't been looking at the market, though, there has been a transition out there with hybrid MLM network marketing and what's called affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and services in exchange for a percentage, or in other words, a commission. And so I'll leave more details to affiliate marketing down below in my number one recommended way to start a business and continue a business in and have more residuals coming in month after month. So you do not have to start off at zero every single month. That is super painful. So again, I'll leave that down below, and in time, I'll show you my recommendation on the screen. So let's go through this page here. It says discover our people, discover the Freedom Equity Group difference. 2002 was the year they were founded. 50 states served, 350,000 satisfied customers, over 5.4 billion of face amount in force, leading the living benefits crusade. Every year, 6 million people are diagnosed with a heart attack, stroke, or cancer. 70% of those people will not die, and more than half go bankrupt in the process. Switch to a financial solution which ensures your family's quality of life. Learn more about the evolution of the Living Benefits Crusade. You can see here Fox Business, FEG in America. Watch a special report describing their revolutionary products, their partners, as you see here with FG Annuities and Life. Experience the power of collaborative thinking. They have American National, National Life Group, AIG. The FEG Promise, you can learn more about right there. Whether you're a client looking at the products or looking for a career change, FEG is committed to giving you the best possible experience. They are proud to offer the best products from the country's top carriers. And one thing too, this company is legit. When people think of it as a pyramid, you might not have the right definition of it. There are products, the annuities, the life insurance products, policies, and all of that. So by definition, a pyramid, there really wouldn't be any products, and it only serves the compensation plan for recruiting and doing all of that. And then you have a Ponzi or something different. But Freedom Equity Group established, you see that right there on your screen. The founders, you have Ron, both Rons here, and then you have Bill, who is the president. So the chairman is Ron. You have another Ron who is the CEO, and then Bill, who is the president. You can learn more about them right there. You can follow them on social media. And if I go over here, you'll see the opportunity. And I don't necessarily recommend this one if you're asking. The reason why is there's so many things that can go right and wrong in the insurance space, whether you do or don't have a background and you're looking to do something with an opportunity online and to help service people, and your why is huge enough because you want to see people succeed and have more payments coming in over a term, over a time, over a lifetime, and then reducing payments as they get older, and a lot of other stuff that you're trying to do that comes with insurance, life insurance, annuities, and in any other field. So I completely understand. It's like when you are a real estate agent and you really like putting people into homes, and there's a process behind all of that, finding the right home from the right person and the right buyer, seller's market, buyer's market. But the smile and the concern on people and what their biggest problems are and why they're getting a home and why they really need it and what that will do for them over a longer term horizon. I get that. That makes sense. And so there's a lot of stuff here. And let me scroll through here. And it says, join us. CEO Ron tells us about the amazing FEG opportunity started in 2002 by Ronald. And then you have Ronald there. And then Bill, each who have decades of success in marketing both life insurance and annuities nationwide. They chose to work with some of the best insurance companies in the world, such as Fidelity and Guarantee, American National, Life of the Southwest, AIG, Phoenix, American Equity, and National Western Life. The focus at FEG is indexed ULs and index annuities. At FEG, they are proud to say with their index products that their clients' cash values have not participated in the recent market downturns, which is an upside. On the annuity side, they believe in fixed guaranteed no risk products. So fixed being the key word, which creates stability for many people. And for one, being in the funding space and being somebody who received funding, I rely a lot on business credit cards now. Fixed rates, fixed funding, fixed interest, all that is very helpful for many. That way it isn't scattered and it's unpredictable and it's variable. Guaranteed no risk products that offer the client an opportunity to receive a guaranteed lifetime income without annuitization. They also believe in life insurance policies that are guaranteed not to lapse. That's a word that I always don't say it appropriately, but I know what it is and what it means. So down here, you just see more details. And it's not bad to join an opportunity like this. The whole corporate thing, the whole put on a suit and a tie. If that's you, that's you. It's really not me at all. I still like to show myself as presentable. And I have an alternative that I will be getting into soon. It could be in the funding space, but with a twist. I let you clone my business loan broker slash agent business. You don't have to be an expert at it. And I'll show you that in a moment. I'll switch tabs. And it comes with a twist because I have products where you don't even have to provide a service. Like with annuities, with life insurance, you're providing a service. There are pros and cons to that. If you don't like to be on the phone, if you don't like to communicate or chat with people via text all the time, or be macro managing, always checking and quote unquote being the salesperson because I'm not a salesperson myself, then there is an alternative that I recommend where you don't even have to do any of that. All you have to do is show people to a specific system, let the system do the work for you, and emailing your leads, and then coming back. There's actually a cashback savings referral membership that I'll be showing you here soon. But this is what you get from this. If we go over to the vision, short, and if you wanted to join FEG, welcome for the FEG sign up. And you'll need to complete their sign up form. It's invitation only. First, they need to know who sponsored you to join. If you have any questions or need help, they have an email there for agent support, or you can call them at that number. Identify your sponsor, and that'll be listed. But I don't have this information for you. I'm not a member of the group, but I know how a lot of insurance groups work. I know people have contacts in these spaces in other areas, not saying through here specifically, but here you see quite a little bit that I did a little review on as well. The opportunity, life insurance, annuities, and then the ranks for the compensation plan, selling life insurance policies or recruiting sales insurance representatives. Unless this has changed by the time you're watching this, you get 6 affiliate ranks that range from training sales representatives to the regional vice president position. Your rank position is dependent on the volume of the policies that you sell. Here are all the 6 ranks: training representative at 30%, all the way down to regional vice presidents at 70%. So going back to the MLM recruiting deal, you can get paid between 7 to 14% unless things changed, down to the 6th generation. And then how to join them, I showed you that already. What are people saying? Each one of the 3 owners has a big heart. Corporate office staff are helpful and amazing. 101% the best company in the USA, and more there. Complaints, MLM, fully commission-based job, no real help, just like in MLM. Even though I was entry level, I would say give it a W-2 job until you get a great grasp of selling and have proven yourself. The job at Freedom Equity Group is high stress. There's always this feeling that you are going to be out of a job the next day. Communication between management and staff is virtually non-existent. Not sure if that's changed or if it was always like that, but the estimated group salary in that, um, just a little bit more. Who's a not for non-MLM enthusiast or the traditional way, at least, where you probably won't even get that well compensated. It's based up still upon your effort and what you're doing if you're recruiting. But if you've been around the MLM network marketing space, too many people don't make much or anything at all. There's a very low percentage. You have tire kickers. It doesn't have to be that you have to be sales minded at all, but when you come into an insurance space or anything where you're speaking to people directly or in online or in a different format, people who are extroverted tend to gravitate to these kinds of roles. Not that you have to be. You can be introverted like I am. I'm a big introvert, very analytical, the cerebral type. So fast money seekers, no effort seekers at all. Pros and cons, average salary of 84K, which is above the 29% national average. Ability to be your own boss. You don't have to rely on a 9 to 5, partner with some heavy hitters, different commission structure payouts, cons, MLM-based business structure, and the way it's structured. Compensation plans are not bad, but will you really make anything? And you have to still put effort at the end of the day with anything, but in traditional MLMs, network marketing, it makes it harder to harder hill to climb. Quote unquote, selling insurance is really difficult and to make you feel like you have another job. If you're looking at families, maybe there's a medical reason that somebody can't get on a plan that they wanted. So they end up missing out. Their son, daughter, whatever it is, it trickles down and then it gets more expensive over time. And what they have as after they meet a specific age, there's already a lot of friction and resistance you have to meet. I know a lot of people need and should have it, but you're already climbing up a battle. And that friction and resistance level is the thing that I want no part of. One thing is if there's enough product market fit, which you see in the market speaking to that there is, but the type of amounts and how it's structured and a lot of this you also have to understand. Quote unquote, you might be doing some hard selling. The contracts or the policies themselves can confirm what an individual needs. You just highlight the benefits, the features, future pace, understand the numbers, the metrics, of course, that's important. But you don't want to position yourself where you're having to quote unquote sell. And if you've been a salesperson all your life, and you're used to it, okay, that's you. Feel free to do this thing. That's up to you to do. But I would not want to have any part in it just because I don't have that background. I started in academics many years ago. I was studying sociology. Then I went into chemical engineering. Then I got into business, chemical engineering for some time. Then I wanted to start a business. That's why I continued there. Worked in construction, manufacturing. I was even in warehousing, rampage, and a lot of this in my younger 20s. I then got into financial logistics for a huge contracting company servicing HBA and P South, inventory management, supply chain, uh, shipping and receiving, coordinating, moving boxes, doing things with other departments. Quite a bit. Data, budgeting was underpaid, undervalued, I would say. Company goes down under 50 plus people relieved. So it's very important that you find something that is well worth your energy and time. I started a digital marketing agency, lead generation business at the time. Got into the health affiliate marketing space, promoting other people's products and services in exchange for a percentage. And I'll be getting into that here in a second. So again, my number one recommendation will be down below in the description and what I recommend you do with funding services and then some. So let me scroll up here, just make sure I have everything done. Okay, so that's it on the FEG. Now let me go ahead and show you very quickly, just so you know I'm a real person. This is my Facebook profile. You can find me here. I'll try to leave information down below in the description. And what I do recommend is joining a funding business. Now, I have a twist with this. I've been an expert in this space, helped out a lot of clients get funding of different amounts, have high value clients, and a big Rolodex contacts that I can help you with along the way. You can be hands off. You don't have to handle the bank statements, tax returns, reviews. Depends on the service. I can do that, and or if you don't have to supply that with a specific service, that's another thing. Credit, cash flow, collateral, liquidity, equity, and then some. It's not difficult. But like anything, when you're providing a service, whether it's life insurance, annuities, you're looking at then the funding, clawbacks, chargebacks, or anything. It's not always as common on this side unless you don't get the right clients. But you don't want to depend always on a client to help you get your payment, to get your revenue, like in life insurance, annuities, aside from MLM network marketing, building that so you can have residuals coming in. That's why those components are there, which is helpful. I believe in residual income, but doing it on the funding side with the twist and what I have, I believe is a lot better and a lot more lucrative. So you can also build a team of agents. And it's not traditional MLM network marketing on the side that I have. It's a hybrid, it's affiliate marketing performance based. And then I have another product that's crazy good with cashback savings. So it's all congruent. So right here, you see this. I can also have this one down below. I have a few templates I've been kind of adjusting, but this crazy awesome new clone affiliate business or new cloned funding business, you could say, is the fastest, easiest way to grow an amazing income from home in 2024. And this will be current to the year you are watching. Enter your info below to see for free and how to clone this business and make it your own, plus get a free exclusive 1,000+ per month affiliate marketing blueprint guide to accelerate your journey. So this is where you're promoting other people's products and services in exchange for a percentage. There's physical, digital goods. Think about Amazon products. Think about, if you've heard of ClickBank, there's digital products that people can just download a DVD or something else with information, a membership course. There's so much to this. There's apps for cashback, which I'll try to get into here more or less. So this is the page. Here's what you'll see inside, where you can one click import the exact funnel that I'm using to generate a handful of 20 to 200 plus per month residually and predictably from each and every person referred for work I just did one time, and even more than 20 to 200 per person, even up to 4,000 plus and then some once, and from multiple ways, not just from funding clients. Just add your name and swap in your affiliate links. It's super simple and UV friendly. Get the word for word script so you can create a killer bridge page that converts cold traffic into buyers and into more fundings, more team residuals, and more. Copy and paste my proven email follow-up sequence and to increase conversions on your clients, on your team, and bring in more month over month again and again. Here's one of the residual products in the sequence, as you see right here, reoccurring, with the disclaimer there. Just don't be average like anything. Don't expect that. Have a higher standard, and I can help you along the way if you're trying to really build a legitimate business online and you want something that's more hands off over time, passively, residually, something that you didn't come to expect just with life insurance or funding itself. It's coming with a twist. So you're not always having to rely on a person generating you revenue. If it's a one-time amount or if it's residual, but it's little, this is not that. This is a huge sustainable amount as you start growing it as well. And you're not relying only on the client because you're working against the human grain. You're working against unpredictability of a person, their characteristic traits. You don't want to just depend on them to help you get funding when it doesn't happen. And you have a team of agents that whenever they get a client funded, perhaps you can get a percentage, how it works. But you don't just want to rely on one another. There's a system here with other products for residuals and providing meals to feeding starving children. There's that one of the companies does, which is amazing, a great cause. Here are the results of one of the many residual products. 96 enrollments in my first 30 days plus residuals. What's not to like? I love sharing something that really helps people. What a great opportunity. Thank you. That's from Gloria. I've been in marketing for years, and this is the best thing I've ever seen. 123 people visited my site, 30 people enrolled immediately, and my residual income is growing daily. We are helping a lot of people, having a lot of fun and making a lot of money. From Nick. From Michael, in just 7 days, I have 12 free signups and 5 premium members. The amazing part is I didn't speak to any of them on the phone and send no text messages. This is the best system I've used in my 40 years of networking. From Trey, saving money, getting cash back, and building a recurring income. It's a win-win-win. I already have 27 signups just by sharing a link. Isn't that crazy? Crazy good. That's from Trey again. Enter your details up here. So you go in here, unless the page changes. I'll give you one of my email addresses just for the demonstration of this. I have my other ones. I have Gmail, professional email addresses, but put your best email address or you'll be getting this information. The page might look different in time, but please do not close this page unless you don't care about making money. There's a video here of me of about 6 minutes that I'll walk you through the expectations on the clone instructions page, what to expect, where to get started, and all that. If the page looks different, you'll see it in time. But make sure you watch that. Click one of the buttons, and it'll take you over to here. Updated for 2024, and it'll be current to the year. How to clone my business loan broker / agent business services agency with a twist and make it yours step by step. Click play to see the setup instructions of the viral funding funnel is what it is called. So you'll go through this. Timestamps are there, but start from the beginning. Step one, if you haven't already done so, sign up as a DAC partner to help people get funding. You get your own done for you websites, instant micro funding, larger funding, line of credit, payment processing, employee pay advance, healthcare division. So you'll see everything in here, the affiliate opportunity to learn. And it again is for free to join. You'll get a huge how to promote document from me. And then step two, new 2024 edition, it will be to the current year. And this is the system that'll really be helpful and it's super lucrative. So it'll be here unless things change. Private invite only, brand new opportunity for 2024. And it'll be current to the year. Reserve your free position. A lot of people are joining here. It's a super lucrative platform. And let me show you because I'm already signed in. And here's what it'll look like once you do get started and reserve your position and get in front of people once you join Nexus Rewards. This is the cashback savings and referral partnership that is super amazing. So this is a 4-step system and it has all the resources, the training, on how to do this, promote this with free and or paid marketing. Click here to join Nexus. Super lucrative platform. I'll try to leave more information down below. And I did a review on this for the ultimate cashback savings referral membership on a lot of things. So premium subscription, everything you get in here, and it has residuals upon residuals. So it's pretty huge stuff. Now I'll show you the last few things, and then we'll close up here. So down here, this is the next product, get your HBA account. So this platform helps you build anything in any niche, affiliate, MLM, network marketing, untraditional, hybrid, health space, finance, online business, any industry you can use. They have a landing page builder. They have their training on free and paid traffic, masterminds. You can also promote the platform and they give out 80% commissions. And then they have residual products as well. So it builds up quickly, 120 by 10, that's 1,200 a month, depending on where each person is, 80% commissions. There's quite a bit there. I won't spend too many details on it, but I'll help you in time. Funnel builder, you get my done for you emails, quite a bit here, optional driving traffic, and then some. So that's what I wanted to share with you. That's a twist on the funding space, and it's better to have it that way so you're not just depending on clients, annuities, life insurance policies, and just having to do all that friction and people moving up different tiers and not being satisfied. Do it this way, build yourself a residual income passively that's more lucrative with these platforms and how it's all set up. You can also share this with others. You'll get this yourself to clone it. I'll show you. It's very simple, hassle-free. But that'll be everything for me. I hope you got a lot of value from this video. Look down below in the description for the information to get started. If you enjoyed it, I greatly appreciate you giving it a thumbs up. Please share it with others. It's okay if you don't, though. And if you have not subscribed, I greatly appreciate you subscribing and clicking the bell notification icon so you do not miss any future content I will be coming out with. That is all for now. Thank you. Take care.